The 2026 Toyota Hilux GR is a daring development of the company's legendary pickup truck, fusing the high-performance engineering of Toyota's Gazoo Racing division with the tough dependability of the Hilux. Designed to appeal to individuals who have a desire for power, adventure, and accuracy, the Hilux GR is the pinnacle of off-road durability and performance inspired by motorsports. Building on the Hilux's illustrious record for navigating some of the most difficult terrain on Earth, it adds a new dimension of elegance and fun. In addition to being a workhorse, this model is a declaration of power and capability that captures Toyota's racing essence in a useful daily automobile. The strong design elements and muscular stance of the 2026 Hilux GR immediately make an impression from the outside. The front end sports a powerful Toyota insignia that exudes confidence and authority, along with a striking GR grille and slim LED headlights. Wider fenders and sculpted bumpers are two subtle aerodynamic upgrades that enhance its dominant road presence. It is clear that this is not your typical pickup thanks to its distinctive alloy wheels, blacked-out highlights, and GR badging. The car combines functionality with a sense of performance-driven flair in every line and curve. From every vantage point, the Hilux GR radiates strength and athleticism, whether it is parked in the city or traversing dirt tracks. The 2026 Toyota Hilux GR has a sporty yet elegant interior. Inspired by racing culture, the inside design features high-end materials, red contrast stitching, and discreetly placed GR emblems. Excellent comfort for lengthy trips and stability during dramatic maneuvers are provided by the supportive sport seats, which are covered in leather and suede. Key performance data is shown on the digital driver's cluster, and a contemporary infotainment system with a sizable touchscreen display offers smartphone connectivity, navigation, and vehicle settings. Notwithstanding its tough exterior, the Hilux GR maintains comfort thanks to features like dual-zone climate control, cutting-edge audio systems, and clever storage options that make it equally appropriate for daily use and weekend excursions. A potent turbocharged diesel or hybrid powertrain that combines quickness, efficiency, and torque is anticipated to be the 2026 Hilux GR's undercarriage. Because to Gazoo Racing's engineering know-how, the truck's suspension, chassis, and handling dynamics are optimized for optimal performance on and off the road. Improved traction control systems, reinforced parts, and improved shock absorbers enable it to navigate uneven terrains with ease while retaining stability on roads. The Hilux GR offers a smooth yet powerful driving experience whether you're exploring mountain routes, hauling big cargo, or cruising through city streets. Toyota continues to place a high priority on dependability and safety in the design of the Hilux GR. Toyota Safety Sense, which incorporates pre-collision technologies, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, is standard on the 2026 model. Its sturdy frame, electronic stability control, and a number of airbags guarantee the best possible protection in harsh circumstances. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Hilux GR is more than just a pickup with a focus on performance. It is a representation of Toyota's unwavering quest for greatness and exploration. It combines modern motorsport engineering's inventiveness with the tenacity of a tried-and-true off-road legend. The Hilux GR provides drivers who want both functionality and thrills with the best of both worlds. A vehicle that is made to last, built to exhilarate, and made to stand out wherever the road takes it.